Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Google address, a recovery phone or email, and a trusted device. Once ready, go to the Google account sign-in page and click Forgot Password. This starts automated recovery. If you remember any previous password, enter it when prompted because that speeds verification. Make sure you're on a secure network and not using a VPN that might trigger extra checks. After you submit the email, Google will display the available verification methods. Choose the one you can access now. Next, you'll handle verification. Select the method Google offers: text message, phone call, recovery email code, or a device prompt on a signed-in phone. Once you request a code, check SMS and the recovery inbox immediately because codes expire fast. Also check spam and archived folders. If you used a device prompt, approve it quickly. If none of those work, click the option to verify your identity and complete Google's form. Supply account creation details and recent activity to prove ownership and move to the reset. Now you'll reset the password and secure the account. Enter a new, unique password and confirm it. This is the crucial step that restores access. Once signed in, immediately review recovery phone and email, sign out of other sessions, and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If the automated recovery didn't work, use Google's identity form and provide as many accurate details as possible. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't access recovery methods, wait 48 to 72 hours after submitting the form and try again with more precise account history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.